Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just showing you my latest journal, which is finished. To all intents and purposes, finished. I may put some tiny little finishing touches on, little secret surprises in here, but for the most part it is finished, and I will be putting it up on my Etsy store. So this is just a little flick through just to show you what it looks like. So please excuse the air conditioning in the background. That's on full blast because it is actually very hot here today. So trying to just sort of stay cool. It's made from a cereal box, and it is edged all the way around in sari silk and on the spine as well. And on the back it's got this absolutely beautiful English made, it's called Cluny Lace, and I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe that the people that make this lace made the lace that went on the Duchess of Cambridge's wedding dress. So it's quite cool lace. So that's on the back of there. This is I did this myself. There's some dried flowers in here. It's all kind of Mod Podged down, so it's kind of it's not hard, but it is it's quite stiff. So I'm just going to have a little flick through so you can have a little look at it. I will be putting something in here, but probably just a little note about the book, really, something little like that. And then it's got 3 signatures, various bits of ephemera. All the paper is hand dyed by me. It's got vintage book pages in it, some stenciling, tracing paper-y type stuff, little bits of embellishments, music pages, a bit of collaging, various little bits of ephemera. There is still plenty of room for writing though. I don't really overfill my journals because I kind of like to leave space for people to add their own stuff to it. But there's quite a bit of stuff in there. I won't take all of the ephemera out because then whoever decides to buy it will be able to find all those things for themselves. And like I say, there's loads of room that you can add your own touches here. So lots and lots of writing space and drawing space, doodling space, adding to space. But also lots of quite pretty stenciling and stamping and bits and pieces added in. There's a little thing in there. So it's quite varied, the number of bits and bobs in there. And that's the end of it. This is all like handmade paper that I've lined this with. It's really, really lovely to touch. It's really, really nice texture. So that is the whole thing completed. It's not really massive. It doesn't have like a huge gator mouth. There's not loads and loads of ephemera in there. But also it's quite a wide spine and it's only got 3 signatures in it, so it's not like it is ram packed, but there is plenty of space in there for you to add whatever you would like to add. So hopefully you have enjoyed that little quick look through, and I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.